Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for another video of Dila's Homemaker Tips. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to deep clean and organize your bathroom. I'm going to be organizing my towel closet and my vanity. As you can see, everything is everywhere, so I did buy a couple of pieces from Amazon to organize that vanity. And I'm going to be showing you step by step on how I clean my bathroom. The first thing that I'm going to do is I start off with everything around the bathtub and the bathtub itself, and then I'm going to be cleaning my shower door. This foaming shower tub tile cleaner from Zepp is actually so good. All I do is I spray it on and I let it sit for 15 minutes. After that, I take my Clorox wand. It has a scrubby end, and it really cleans off any kind of soap scum or any kind of water stain that may have accrued to the tiles of the bathtub. And then after that, I am going to be rinsing everything in here and then getting on to my shower doors. For my shower doors, all I use is a scrub brush and the Mean Green detergent that I get from Dollar Tree. I find that it works really well on soap scum and water stains. So that's all I use, and I use this once to twice a week just to keep it clean. And then I have my daily shower cleaner, which is it's like a clear formula that you just spray on after your shower, and that really keeps everything cleared out. The outside of my shower door, I am using Windex because I don't have any water stains out here. I just have some fingerprints from the kids. And once your bathtub and your shower doors are set, just place everything back and go on to the rest of the bathroom. I actually like to wipe my walls down because it is tile from floor to ceiling. I like to do this like once a month just to keep it clean and shiny. I use the Mean Green for this as well. It is non-toxic, so it's okay for the kids to be around and smells great. After that, you want to get to your light fixtures and your switches and anything else that's on the walls of your bathroom. I like to use disposable wipes for cleaning my toilet. I find them more sanitary, and I like to use the Clorox wand as well. After I disinfect and clean off any kind of yuckiness on the toilet, then I take my Mean Green with a paper towel and just wipe all over it to keep it fresh. I know I'm going super fast here. I am cleaning around the bathroom, under, behind, and everything near the screws on the bottom. Just, wipe it down nicely. Make sure there is no dust, no hair, none of that, and just go on to the rest. Now I'm going to be organizing my vanity. Now, my vanity is fairly small and I do have a lot of hair products, so it's not going to look Pinterest style. However, it does work for me because I keep everything in the same area. I categorize per basket, if that even makes sense. So I like to put my heating products in one basket, I'll put my brushes in the other basket, and I'll use my scrunchies and my bobby pins in my little pouch. The bottom drawer has my pharmacy items, so my hosieries like my dental floss, my Q-tips, and any kind of Neosporin or any cream that we use. In here we keep soap, my hair dye products, and shampoos. And as you can see, they are in bins right now, but I did buy this awesome rack from Amazon, and it's a slide out drawer as well. And I'm going to put my bar soaps on the bottom, and I'm also going to put my shampoos on top. And the other two bins, I'm going to keep my waxing products and also my hair dye products. Before going to my towel closet, I want to clean the rest of my bathroom, because if I put my clean towels on this dirty vanity, it will give me anxiety. So I'm cleaning off my vanity. I'm going to be vacuuming and mopping my bathroom floors. And after that, I'm going to get on to my towel closet. I have to organize this closet maybe once every 3 months because it does get out of hand. My kids like to pull from the bottom of the stack and it really ruins the top of the stack. So I usually like to empty it out completely and then refold. I do fold in categories. So we have our hair towels, our body towels, kids towels, and my hand towels on the sides. I like to keep the robes in the top shelf because they are kind of bulky and it does ruin the symmetry of the rest of the towels. But look how nice, organized, categorized this towel closet looks. I'm so satisfied. Here is my bathroom, nice and clean. Thank you so much for watching. Please do consider subscribing and coming back. Bye.